A new court ruling has restored abortion access across Wisconsin.
A judge in Dane County ruled an 1849 state law is not a ban on abortion.
Julia Fellow now showing us the changes that are already underway and the fight that comes next.
Leaders with Planned Parenthood tell me they plan to resume abortion care access here in Sheboygan behind me as soon as possible and expand their services that they already have in Milwaukee and Dane counties. But what is expected next is likely an appeal that could end up in the state Supreme Court. For now, abortion access in Wisconsin is back to where it was when Roe v. Wade was the law of the land. Attorney General Josh Kaul celebrated his win.
In this case, freedom wins, equality wins, and women's health wins. This is a momentous victory.
Pro-Life Wisconsin Director Dan Miller says the fight is far from over, and he looks forward to seeing an appeal.
We're looking for a win for women and babies inside the womb.
Before the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade last year, abortion clinics operated in 3 of Wisconsin's 72 counties, Milwaukee, Dane, and Sheboygan. When the High Court sent the issue of abortion back to individual states, abortion opponents believe an 1849 law made the practice here illegal. Sheboygan County District Attorney Joel Urmanski vowed to prosecute under that old law, so Attorney General Josh Kaul sued him and 2 other DAs.
So with that decision, women in Wisconsin became less safe, less free, and less equal as they lost access to safe and legal abortion.
On Tuesday, a Dane County judge sided with Kaul, ruling the 1849 law refers only to feticide, not abortion. Feticide is defined as the act of killing a fetus by assaulting and battering the mother. Abortion opponents read it differently.
I don't know where she got her law degree from. In the state legislature's website, right next to 94004, it says abortion. So, I mean, couldn't be more clear.
Kaul says this ruling takes away fear in women who even have planned pregnancies.
What should be a joyous occasion for expecting parents had for some people become a source of fear and concern, worrying about what would happen if an unexpected complication arose.
While Dan Miller views the issue in starkly different terms.
I also think of the slaughter of the innocents.
Sheboygan County District Attorney Joel Urmanski tells me he plans to comply with the judge's ruling but will appeal. Reporting in Sheboygan, Julia Fellow, TMJ4 News.